Well, first video of 2022, and for the first time in a week we are sneaking above the 0 Fahrenheit mark. I think we're nearly 5 above, so that's a big improvement. This time yesterday I was out on an open tractor at just about 25 below, and that's way too cold. So today I'm going to take advantage of the mild temperatures, and as you can see in this yard, I need to move a little snow. I got the tractor plugged in and the truck, and hopefully get the snowblower installed and maybe move a little snow. We'll see how that goes. Okay, this is as close as we get to a cold start here. Had about 3 hours on the block heater. I'm almost positive I'm going to have to put the battery booster on, because this one seems to like a little more cranking power than what the battery has to offer. But I need a new stop cable too. Okay, I'll give it a try. Yeah, that don't sound too hopeful. Alright. I'm a little short on extension cords, so I gotta unplug this, drag out the battery booster, I've got a little bit of heat in the engine now from the block heater going. Even though it's warmed up outside, this cast iron and hydraulic and engine oil is all still just about as cold as it was yesterday at 20 something below. I could use a little more light in here, but good to go. What do we got? We are on boost 12 volt. Let's see what happens. Well, that hydraulic system doesn't sound too happy. That oil's going to be thick as molasses in there, so I'll give it plenty of time to warm up. In the meantime, I got a little bit of charging going on here, hopefully. Truck's been sitting for 2 months. So battery could be down a little. You got to move. Let's just see. neutral. It's supposed to help the transmission oil circulate a little better for warm-up. I don't know. It won't hurt. Cords get so stiff in the cold weather, they're in danger of breaking. I should have had my winter front on. What are the chances? Oh, forget about it. Yeah. It's not here. Even if it was, the winter front gets so stiff in the cold that I literally have to preheat it before I can unfold it and snap it in place. So here is our snowblower. Nicely packed away for the summer. In case I don't get to record anymore, you'll at least see what I'm up to here. Get some of the junk out of the way, because it won't be coming back here till spring. This thing off and go and search out that winter front. Alright, I'm going to attempt to drive out of here. Hoping I can get in here far enough to close the doors. Yeah, we'll call that good. Alrighty. Oh. Close that up, keep the sparrows out. Yeah, the old winter tires get me around pretty good.